Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Passion Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive trendy silk collections, pure silk collections. So let me display. This one also a very beautiful one, same material. Today I have taken very soft, comfortable, summer friendly, pure handloom soft silk and full base part is contrast color with zari weaving stripe, fine stripes and contrast color border and full border portions heavy Banarasi weaving work. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly. This one is full base part is silk, fine weaving stripes design, stripes, lines and very beautiful one, contrast color border and full border portions fine golden zari weaving design border work. And this one pallu portions fully highlighted one, contrast color with fine heavy weaving design work pallu, fully soft comfortable one with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very bright elegant looks and very soft comfortable summer friendly, based for your function wear, very comfortable one. And this one is heavy worked border contrast. And this one running blouse piece, fully heavy Banarasi weaving work running blouse piece, very trendy and fresh looks, elegant one. And I will suggest this different color contrast blouse piece, brocade silk material, heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and elegant looks. And this one also organza base and Banarasi weaving border and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, heavy worked border pallu and border portions also heavy Banarasi weaving work and baby pink shade. And this one is contrast color, heavy fine weaving design work border and full base part fine digital printed one, fully digital printed organza base, very smart and elegant looks. And this one pallu portions, this one is beautiful heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast color with Banarasi weaving work, worked soft one organza base. And this one full base part, very trendy and fashionable looks and traditional border also, very nice combinations. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work printed running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, baby pink base, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and elegant looks. So same material, beautiful printed one and very nice color combinations, contrast color border and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, organza base, contrast color fine Banarasi weaving border and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very trendy and elegant looks, elegant color combinations also. This one full base part and this one is fully brocade work running blouse piece printed. And this one full base part, very bright fresh and elegant looks. This one is pallu portions, contrast color with fine brocade pattern weaving design, Banarasi weaving design work pallu highlighted. And this one is beautiful pom-pom design and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very beautiful color combination, same material, same pattern, weaving Banarasi border, traditional border with beautiful fine digital printed one, pure organza base. And this one full base part is beautiful digital printed one, nice color combination. This one is full base part and this one is border portions, contrast color dye with fine Banarasi weaving work. And this one pallu portions, fully contrast color with heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work run pallu and beautiful pom-pom design. And this one full base part, very nice and elegant looks, fully digital printed one, organza base, contrast weaving border. And this one running blouse piece, fully brocade pattern weaving design running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one has seen a very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color only, contrast color, fine Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, organza base, contrast color, dye border with fine Banarasi weaving work, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, fancy and traditional looks, traditional Banarasi border and pallu, and fancy looks digital printed one. Very nice combinations. And this one, pallu part fully fine Banarasi weaving work, pallu beautiful pom-pom design, and this one, full base part very elegant looks, fully Banarasi weaving border with fully digital printed piece. And this one, brocade pattern running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, same material, beautiful printed one, different color, very bright color combinations, pink and mustard yellow combined looks. Let me open very fresh one, bright looks. This one is full base part, contrast mustard yellow traditional Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful digital printed one, organza base. This one is border portions, contrast color with fine Banarasi weaving work border, and this one, pallu portions, contrast color, fully brocade pattern Banarasi weaving design, fully fine work and beautiful pom-pom design, very nice looks. And this one, full base part, bright fresh one, fully fine digital printed one, organza base and traditional Banarasi weaving border. And this one, running blouse piece, fully brocade work and digital printed running blouse piece. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Also, very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations, contrast color border, premium quality pure handloom silk linen base with fine weaving Buddha design, contrast color. And this one, very nice color combinations. This one is full base part, fully fine Banarasi weaving border, contrast color, dye with Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is contrast color weaving Buddha design. And this one, pallu portions, contrast color, dye with fine Banarasi weaving design work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, very soft one, and this one is full border portions, fully contrast color with fine weaving design work border, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design, very elegant looks. And this one, running blouse piece, this one is running blouse piece. And this one is full base part with trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, fully Banarasi weaving Buddha work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, very elegant color combination, silk linen base and contrast color, dye border with beautiful weaving Buddha design. This one, very nice one, contrast color print, weaving Buddha design. And this one is border portions, contrast color, dye with fine Banarasi weaving work. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast color, dye with fine Banarasi weaving work. And this one is beautiful pom-pom. And this one, full base part, very nice and traditional looks. This one is fine contrast color, dye with beautiful fine Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is Buddha design, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy and fresh traditional looks. And this one also, very beautiful one, same material, same pattern, different color only, yellow shade, silk linen base, contrast color, dye Banarasi weaving border, and full base part is beautiful weaving Buddha design. And this one is border portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving work border, and this one is pallu portions, fully contrast color with heavy Banarasi weaving design work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base part, fine weaving Buddha Very soft one, summer friendly, premium quality, pure handloom silk rayon base with beautiful weaving, Banarasi weaving border. Very nice and traditional looks, based for your party wear, function wear. Very nice looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. So in a very beautiful one and bright looks, based for your function wear, party wear, pure chiffon Banarasi, very bright color, bright blue shade, and this one full base part, very nice one, soft, comfortable, pure chiffon Banarasi. This one fully Banarasi work, fully fine hand weaving Banarasi design border, and full base part is beautiful Banarasi buta design, full base part, and premium quality soft one, pure chiffon Banarasi. This one pallu portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving buta design pallu. This one is highlighted lines with beautiful weaving buta and fully hand weaving design, and this one full base part, beautiful bright color, pure chiffon Banarasi, fully fine Banarasi weaving, silver zari weaving Banarasi border. And this one running blouse, this one is running blouse piece with beautiful weaving border design, very trendy looks and traditional, obviously pure chiffon Banarasi. And I will suggest this silk material, silver base, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also same material, same chiffon Banarasi, bright pink shade with silver zari weaving Banarasi border and buta design. This one full base part, bright pink shade with fine silver zari weaving border design, and full base part is fine weaving buta work, pure chiffon Banarasi. This one is fully hand weaving, and this one is full base part, very fresh bright color. And this one pallu portions, fully fine heavy Banarasi weaving design work pallu, and very soft, comfortable, obviously. And this one is running blouse piece, border work, running blouse piece, fully silver zari weaving Banarasi work, bright color. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy Banarasi weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And these are also very beautiful one and very nice color combinations, brown wine shade with beautiful silver zari weaving border design, very nice and trendy looks. This one full base part, pure chiffon Banarasi, premium quality, and this one border portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving work border, and this one is pallu portions, fully fine Banarasi weaving design work pallu, very nice one. And this one is full base part, bright fresh color with silver zari weaving Banarasi border, and full base part is fine weaving buta design, and pure chiffon, premium quality, pure chiffon Banarasi, very soft one, smart looks, only 300 gram weight. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. This one also very beautiful bright one, bright sky blue shade, and beautiful Banarasi weaving work, fully hand weaving design, very soft one. This one full base part, this one is border portions, fully heavy fine Banarasi weaving design work border, fully silver zari weaving Banarasi border, and this one pallu portions, fully silver zari fine weaving with buta design pallu, and this one full base part, very bright and elegant looks. This one is full base, this one is beautiful weaving buta design and pure chiffon Banarasi, and this one is running blouse piece, fully border work, very trendy and elegant looks, soft, lightweight. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. It's a very beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom matka with resham weaving. This one full base part, very nice trendy looks. This one is full base pure resham silk with fine golden zari weaving design work, hand weaving border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving stripes design full base, and this one pallu portions highlighted matka stripes with beautiful hand weaving heavy worked pallu. This one is beautiful pallu design, and full base part is fine resham silk with beautiful weaving lines. Very nice one. These are fine weaving stripes lines. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very trendy and elegant fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy buta work Banarasi weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive trendy looks. Pure resham silk transparent with fine weaving stripes lines. Very trendy fresh looks. And this one also same material, same pattern, different color combinations, and very nice looks. This one is full base part, bright bottle green shade based for your function wear. This one full base part, and these are matka stripes with fine weaving design work, and this one is border portions highlighted contrast color with beautiful hand weaving border design, and this one is full base part pure resham silk transparent with fine matka with weaving design stripes work, and this one pallu portions matka stripes with fine hand weaving heavy worked pallu, and this one full base part, very nice trendy looks based for your function wear, party wear, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. And this one also very beautiful one, pure muslin with golden zari border, and full base part is fine weaving design jamdani work, fully hand weaving work. This one fully colorful weaving golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design jamdani work, full base, and navy blue, bright dark navy blue shade, and this one full pallu portions, fully hand weaving heavy worked pallu, fully hand weaving jamdani design, premium quality golden zari border, and full base part is jamdani work. Very nice and elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very nice and bright elegant one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric fully fine weaving design work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Very beautiful one, bright fresh looks, and pure resham silk with golden zari border, and full base part is fine weaving jamdani work, very traditional trendy looks, and transparent with colorful threaded weaving design work border. This one is temple pattern weaving design border, and full base part is beautiful weaving jamdani work, very nice looks. This one full base part fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks, pure resham silk with jamdani design, and this one pallu portions highlighted fully fine heavy weaving design jamdani work pallu, and this one is pallu end highlighted fine stripes, and this one is full base part, very trendy and elegant looks, pure resham jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. And this one also very nice one, elegant combinations, pure muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very elegant looks, parrot green shade, and this one full base part, and this one is border portions, fully fine hand weaving jamdani work border, and full base part is jamdani buta transparent pure muslin with jamdani work. This one pallu portions, beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, fine weaving design, and this one full base part, very elegant looks. This one is border traditional jamdani work, and this one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, very exclusive looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. A very beautiful one, pure muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very bright combinations. This one full base part, golden zari border, soft golden zari border, very soft one. This one premium quality zari and full base part is fine hand weaving jamdani work, pure muslin base, pure handloom with hand weaving jamdani design. And this one is pallu portions, fully highlighted heavy worked jamdani work pallu, and pallu end is fine golden zari stripes, and full base part is beautiful heavy hand weaving jamdani design. Golden zari with contrast color threaded weaving design, jamdani work, transparent pure muslin with beautiful weaving design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very exclusive looks, based for your function wear, party wear, very trendy and elegant looks. And I will suggest this silk material, silk weaving work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your exclusive looks. Also in a very beautiful one and premium quality pure muslin, pure handloom muslin with hand weaving jamdani design, very elegant exclusive looks. This one in a full base part, and this one in a fine golden zari border, premium quality soft golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful fine hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is pallu portions, fully highlighted jamdani design, and this one in a pallu end fine stripes pattern, golden zari stripes pattern, full one. And this one in a full base part, fully hand weaving jamdani work, full base transparent muslin with jamdani design, very nice one, fully hand weaving jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one in a full base part, very traditional and elegant trendy looks, based for your party wear, function wear, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, fully embroidery work, contrast blouse piece with this for your outstanding looks, very soft lightweight also. And you know, today I have prepared beautiful elegant saree, premium quality pure handloom soft silk material, and full base part is contrast color with golden saree fine weaving stripes. And this one is border portions, contrast color dye border with heavy Banarasi weaving work, and full base part is fine stripes with Banarasi border. And this one, you know, pallu portions, very nice one, pallu portions also very beautiful one, fully heavy Banarasi weaving, soft Banarasi weaving design, highlight pallu, and pallu in nice pom design, and very soft one, summer friendly, beautiful saree, beautiful jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact to WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.